Magandang hapon po ng June 19, 2025 Thursday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 19, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, June 19, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 19, 2025, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, June 19, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for June 19, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.